Dear friends, thank you all for having accepted the invitation from the Eczema Foundation. Welcome, everybody. After a long period of constraint, where COVID has disrupted the life of everyone, patients, doctors, caregivers, we have now the opportunity to be together thanks to the Eczema Foundation. For those who participated in previous meetings in Toulouse, Rome, and at Athens in 2014, as for the newcomers, you are aware that this meeting is not a really classical medical meeting. Firstly, because the workshop is dedicated to a single disease. We have chosen to tackle on its multiple facets: medical, psychological, educational, cultural. A second characteristic is that we have decided for the first time to invite patients and their representatives to jointly address the concrete alliance that must be developed between us. The third particularity of this meeting is the fact that these attendants come from all over the world. Exactly 22 nations from the 5 continents are represented, and moreover, our audience is really pluriprofessional. We have brought alongside patients, dermatologists, pediatricians, allergologists, and also nurses, as well as psychologists. We are all concerned by the management of and the care of patients and parents suffering from atopic eczema. This meeting today has 2 main objectives. The first one is to analyze the diversity of problems posed by the management of eczema. First, listening to patients and their representatives as they tell us about the experience and their failure facing this disease, but also their expectation about doctors and caregivers in terms of listening, availability, and support to better live with their illness. The second objective is to gather the experiences of international experts representing all the stakeholders in the patient care pathway, and to consider the new tools and the new means available in development. The stake of this today is not an easy task, because how to mix a background, language, culture, experience, to go forward and toward a convergent approach useful to everyone. We give a special thanks to the speakers who accepted to deal with this new subject and sharing their experience in only 15 minutes in order to have the sufficient time for discussion. The chairperson will have a special role to animate the discussion. And our previous experiences have demonstrated that the use of English language is the easiest way to interact. However, we will also have the assistant of professional interpreters who will translate into 2 languages, French and English. So don't hesitate to take part in the discussion, speaking one of the 2 languages, English or French. Unfortunately, we regret the absence of 2 key peoples, Alain Gollet and Catherine Jean de Coster, who, for health-related reasons, will not be able to be with us. There are also few other important members, I think, of Brazil, coming from Brazil or Africa. They couldn't make it today for different reasons, including travel restriction related to COVID. Thanks to the motivation and the energy of many, we have taken the challenge of achieving an event that I hope everyone will remember for a long time.